Hi guys, this is Pranesh and welcome to today's class. In the previous class I have discussed about the switch statement, right? Okay. And in today's class I am going to discuss about the looping statements, okay? From here onwards please listen carefully guys because I will tell you something. Okay, let me explain about the looping statements, okay? Looping statements. Looping statements is nothing but looping statements are also called as repetitive or iterative statements. Repetitive or iterative statements. Repetitive is nothing but, for example, if I want to print 1 to 10, in the previous what are the if else statements we have written, we have to write if print 1 or else print 2 or else print 3. Neither we have to write it many more times. For now it is not needed. We have to, there is a one syntax for that. If you write the statements with this simple statement, with writing a small sentences, we can get the output, guys. The main purpose of the looping statements are used to execute certain set of statements for repeated a number of times to solve a problem. um, it is classified into three categories, guys. Sorry, it is classified into three categories. First one is while loop. Second one will be do while loop. And the last but not the last one will be for loop. Guys, from this class onwards please pay attention because many of the MNCs companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, in the first round in itself they will ask the while loop statements, do while programs, for loops programs. If you won't qualify for the next first round, then the third round, technical round, will be very tough. In these rounds you will unable to crack those questions, okay? From here onwards you will able to uh, pay some attention so that your first round will be clear. I will explain from basic to advanced level programs from here onwards. While loop, okay? I will explain what is meant by while loop, okay? Alright, I will write here onwards. While loop. While loop nothing but it is used to execute set of statements repeatedly as long as the condition is true, okay? I will explain with syntax, okay? Syntax will be while condition, sorry, I will give some statements here. Statements. So I close the brackets. So this is called body of while loop, guys. Okay. Let me copy paste this. I will explain the program from here onwards. Let me delete these things. Yeah. So I will write here only. Okay. Now I will write the program here. Write a Java program to print the number of numbers from 1 to 10 using while loop. Okay. I will write the code so that it will be easily understand for you. So let's erase all these things. save this one as print 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Okay. Now I am writing the code. Okay. Int I comma n comma sum. System dot out dot print and then enter the value of n. Enter the value of n. And let's initialize value as integer ac dot next int. And I will initialization run with 1 I is equal to 1. Now that I am writing the condition while I less than or equal to n. System dot out dot sum print ln plus space explanation and increase the I plus sum is equal to I plus give some gaps. System dot out dot print and then sum plus sum. Perfect. Let's close the brackets. Yeah, perfect. Let us save this program. Print 1 to 10. Also 5 savas Java. Perfect. I will explain you the iteration in the meanwhile. Let us see the output. Yeah, it's saved here. So let's open the command prompt. Java C java. Hope any errors will not get. If we will get errors, we will rectify it. Hopefully I didn't get any errors. It's a good thing. Enter the value of n. See, what I have written is not getting like that. One second, I will check the error. Yeah, hi guys, I have rectified the mistake. I have written the wrong code. Sorry for that. Something I have taught that it's out of my concentrations, so that it will be novel, right? Yes, let's print the value of I. Let's see, I will save this program. Let's check. open, refresh.
హలో బాబాయ్ ఫోన్ చేసావా ఏమన్నాడు ఫోన్ చేశాడు బయలుదేరుతున్నా అంటే వాడు రాడంటే బయలుదేరన్నాడు
So it has print the values from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, I will explain the iteration for this. Let's copy paste this code. Initially I have initialized the value of y is equal to 1. So if the value of I is equal to, in the first iteration what will we get? The first one, if I is equal to 1 means 1 is less than or is equal to 10, condition is true, so it will print the value of 1, and the I plus plus means it will increase the value, so the I value will become 2, and the in second iteration now the I value become 2 now, I plus plus means 2 now, so the condition will be 2 less than or equal to 10, the condition is true, so it will print the value of 2 value, and the I plus value become 3. So similarly it will print like this. Okay, now let's go to the second program. Write a Java program to find the sum of n natural numbers using a while loop. For this I will write the condition will be natural numbers means, for example, if I give the numbers like 6, then what will be the output means it will print like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. What is the value of this? 6 11 15 18 21. You have to get the 21. For this I will write the code for you, it will be easily understand for you. I will explain the iteration. First of all I will write the code. I is equal to 1 while I less than or equal to n, I open the brackets, sum is equal to sum plus n, and increase the I factor, I plus plus plus. I will explain with the iteration. Let us write me the code. Yes, the class sum of n, I will say like that. Sum of n. Okay, I will initialize the value of sum is equal to 0. I is equal to 1 while I is less than or equal to n, and I will write the sum is equal to sum plus n. Let's come out of the loop. Right. System dot out print ln sum of natural numbers. Plus sum. Is the brackets is close? Yeah. Let's save this file as sum of control C. So this Java. Let's open the command prompt. The file as sum of yeah. Java C. So I have declared the value of n so that it's showing the n errors. So let's declare the n value before initial operation. System enter the value of n. Is equal to sc dot next this one. So this one is capital N. Declare the value of n here. Yeah, declare. Let me declare above. Control C. Control S. Let's see. So sorry guys, I have declared the um, two times, so it's showing error. Control S. Let's see. Showing the same error. Something. Let me check once and I will get back to you. Yeah, guys, made a little modification to this program. The main modification what I have done is initially I declared a value of sum is equal to 0. No? So I am writing here sum is equal to 0. So let's check this. Perfect. Let's check the numbers. Perfect. 21. I will explain you the iteration now. Where I have written 21. Okay. So in the first iteration, what is happening is first iteration. In first iteration, I am initializing the value I is equal to 1. The condition will be true. 1. What is the condition? I less than or equal to n. What is what n I have declared is equal to 6 now. So the first condition 1 less than or equal to 6. The condition is true, so it will go down to the sum is equal to sum will print as 0 plus 1. The value it will print 1. In the second iteration, the I value become 2 because I plus plus I have declared no, so the I value will become 2. So the condition will become again true. What is the condition? 2 I less than or is equal to n now. 2 less than or equal to 6. The condition will be true and the sum will be 1 plus, because in the previous first iteration the sum will be 1 now, so it will save as sum is equal to 1. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. It will print sum is equal to 3. In the third iteration, and the I value become I plus plus. No, I value will become 3. So in the third iteration, same the condition will be true. 3 less than or is equal to 10. I less than or is equal to 6. Sorry, and the sum will be sum is equal to 3. The previous year is to 3 no. 3 plus 3 6. And I is equal to I will increase I will be 4. In the fourth iteration I will be 4 less than or is equal to 6. Condition is true, so the sum will become sum is equal to 6. In the previous value it will be 6. No, sum will be 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Sum will become 10 and sorry, I will become 5. I is equal to 5. In the fifth iteration, I is less than or is equal to 6, 5. It will be true, so the sum will be, in the previous sum it has stored to 10 now. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay, in next the I value becomes 6. In the sixth iteration, I is less than or is equal to n now. 6 less than or is equal to 6 less than or is equal to 6. Condition is true. Thus, the sum value will be sum is equal to 15. 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. Sum will be 21. And the high value become is 7. And in the seventh iteration, 7 less than or is equal to 6. Condition is false. If the condition is false, what are the statement is saved in 21? It will come out the loop and it will print the value as 21. This is the iteration and the value it is print as 21. Okay, that's all for the today's class, guys. In the next class I will explain the remaining programs. Okay, bye.